6 on your side, Storm Team.
Good morning to you, Tom. Right now it is 6:13, and we do want to get a check of the forecast.
And we also want to let everyone know that Knox County Schools on a 2-hour delay. That just came in just a few minutes ago. They're doing that because of the hazardous road conditions, all the rain and everything coming through. They want to be out there when there's some daylight. Probably a good idea because Tirsa's been running all over the place, tracking some crashes this morning.
In heels.
Yeah.
But seriously, flooding has been an issue.
Yeah.
Hydroplaning, so this gives them some daylight. They're not the only school system,
No.
so go to our website, and we have the full rundown of school systems that are on a delay this morning.
And I think it's kind of smart that a lot of these schools are going to be on a delay this morning, just because we are still seeing a lot of rain for the majority of our area, and a lot of it is heavy, still having that lightning show out here in Knox County. So it's just better, safer than, waiting for people, to hydroplane. Now I know a lot of us still have to get to work by 8 a.m., 7 a.m., but if you do have to be to work here the next hour, go ahead, take your time, make sure you're taking it slow as well, because we already have 2 flash flood warnings, and this is in one of the kind of closer towards the downtown area. We're seeing flash flood warnings until about 9:45. This includes Knox County, Anderson County, Roane, Loudoun, Blount, and even Sevier County. So make sure, again, you're paying attention to roadways, giving yourselves ample amount of time to get to work safely, because we do have the chance to see some isolated flash flooding just because we have a lot of rain present across the entire area. Now, some heavier showers and storms are located kind of towards the Sevier County area. We are seeing kind of near Canton, Pittman Center, Gatlinburg, even Sevierville and Bird Crossroad. Some of that stronger rain that we heard earlier over the studio that has since moved on. Now we will continue to see rain throughout the day today, but it should get lighter in nature. Right now temperatures are sitting in the low 70s, upper 60s. We're seeing 69 here in Knoxville, 70 in Maryville, 69 in Tellico Plains, and 70 in Athens. Now moving forward, we will continue to monitor everything going on outside just because of this flooding threat, and we've just been seeing a lot of hydroplaning, but again, still seeing that lightning show and hearing a lot of thunder. We had that early storm threat, kind of seeing that pass by since now, and after all of this moves on through, heading on into our weekend, we will be quite hot and humid, and more storms are expected heading on into your Monday. The threats we still have in place for the storms moving through is mainly heavy rain and some gustier winds. A very low threat of tornadoes and hail is expected. Now this is a look at our flooding risk. A 2 out of 4 for the majority of the region, the yellow right here, and 1 out of 4, the green right here for the rest of us. And that's because we're seeing over 2 inches of rain possible throughout the entire area. We're seeing over 2 inches in Maryville, over 2 inches in Knoxville, Oak Ridge, Kingston, Crossville, Wartburg, you name it. All of us are seeing a lot of rain in the next 24-hour period. So you need to make sure you're paying attention to roadways, especially because we already have this flash flooding in our area. But by 11, we should see things calming down significantly, seeing mainly overcast skies. A few isolated showers still possible for our southeastern Kentucky counties, but we should stay mainly dry throughout the afternoon going on into the evening. Again, still seeing those afternoon showers possible moving forward throughout the day. Definitely not as much as what we've seen earlier today. Now, make sure to go ahead and download our free weather app still, just so you're able to stay up to date on the latest forecast. No matter if it's raining or if it's sunny, you can tell your smart speaker, hey, to turn on weather alerts as well, just to prepare before severe weather does hit. Same with the good old handy dandy weather radio. And as always, watch WATE 6 on your side. Now going throughout the day today, highs are actually expected to be well below average. We'll actually see them in the upper 70s, and usually for the beginning of August, highs are sitting in the upper 80s. So we are a bit cooler, but we're still going to see quite humid conditions, so it's still going to feel quite muggy out. So when kids are heading off to school after that 2-hour delay for most of us, make sure you're staying as cool as possible and have that rain jacket ready. We will see temperatures and humidity on the rise going into your Saturday and Sunday, seeing the heat index ranging between the mid-90s and low 100s. After the storms pass through on Monday, we should see mostly sunny and pleasant conditions. But again, we still are watching as storms move through the region today, going on into this afternoon, and then we'll monitor the heat going into this weekend. Tirsa?
All right, thank you so much, Margot. Let's